Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. Today I have a fun pen unboxing for you. I received this BENU Talisman in the mail a few days ago and I filmed the unboxing, but my lighting was terrible, so I'm just giving you a heads up. There are parts of the video that really throw the lighting off. This is the BENU Talisman in Cat's Eye. I purchased this at the last chance half off sale at Atlas Stationery, so I hope you enjoy this little unboxing. I also got a few inks that I try out and pick the perfect one for this. This was a great value and I'm so excited that I got this fantastic writer for such a good price. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more content about fountain pens and planning, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I already have filmed a video where I swatch all of my brown inks. I have a problem with browns and neutrals, and so I thought it was about time that I get them all in front of me. I also just filmed an unboxing for a giveaway that I won from my friend Claire Coco on Instagram. And I'm gearing up to do my pocket pen video. I know a lot of people have asked me about that, so that is in the lineup as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I am so excited to share with you my very last purchase of 2023. This came from Atlas Stationery. Got it in their box. It's always so nice because you see that little sticker, you know there's some good stuff inside. So I took advantage of this sale. It was 50% off for a talisman, and it wasn't all of them. I kind of always thought that the Dream Bean would be my first talisman. I have 4 Euphorias, which I'll share after I unbox this. This was 50% off at Atlas. They still have the Hanukkah blue, beautiful talisman that is half off, and it's got gorgeous flecks of gold. It's really so nice. So I will leave a link to Atlas. The Hanukkah one is still available. It's absolutely beautiful. Sorry, my son just called, so I lost my train of thought for a second. I also ordered some inks. The ink prices were so inexpensive. In fact, I waited a little bit and there were a couple inks that ended up selling out right away, but I was able to get the Colorverse Great Plains, Nebraska. I just liked the green here. Colorverse USA Blue Crab, the BENU Talisman Cat's Eye in a medium nib, and Monteverde Emerald Green 30 ml bottle. I thought the Monteverde might look nice with this. Big thanks to Atlas for all their amazing deals. This is a cute little card here. I'm so looking forward to visiting Atlas. I'm going to be there in February and I can't wait. Okay, let's check this out. Let's start with the pen, of course. The Talisman is a little bit smaller than the Euphoria, so I'm excited to see how it is because I have 3 Euphorias and a Briolette. I really respect the size of these boxes. I am not into big boxes. I like the minimal approach. I would rather the money that I'm spending be on the pen and not the packaging. Although I do appreciate beautiful packaging, I like theirs. It's very minimal. I like how it's got all their different styles here. Comes in here. There's usually a little confetti under there. We have that ink. Just fell. These usually come with a nice converter. They're a nice size too. Product information, inspiration, and substance added to the material. So the cool thing about Talisman pens is they actually add a little bit of whatever the pen is into the material. So like the Hanukkah oil, I know has oil inside that pen. So this says the inspiration and substance added. Cat's Eye quartz is what's in here. Magical attribution ascribed in myths. Good luck and prosperity. Oh, so nice. So here's some information. We'll definitely read this at a later time. But let's get to the pen here. We'll move this so we can get the full effect here. Sorry, I always film at night and I always feel like I have artificial lighting, which just makes it a little off, but here we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my, that is really nice. That's so pretty. Let me see if a different light setting would be any better. That's too orangey. I guess that's the one I had it on. That one's a little blue. Tell me which one you like. We're going to go back to this original one. This is so pretty. What I love about it is that the sparkles here, they're really like a Kelly green. I don't know if it's showing up as such. And then it's like a tealy color. Not as much color on the back side here. Getting all the bling up front. It's really pretty. This is a really nice size pen. I will show you a difference in size. So this is the Talisman and this is the Euphoria. So it's quite a size difference. This is also a faceted pen. This is faceted as well, but it's like, this has like smoother edges. That's one of the things I love about the Talisman are all the little kind of bumps and grooves in here. It really makes it interesting when you see the way the light hits the pen. This is so pretty. I got this with a medium nib. And just one other for size comparison. This is the Briolette. This is the Talisman. Well, they're actually more similar in size than I anticipated. I thought there was going to be a big size difference. And then the Euphoria. So those are the three. I'll go into a little bit more detail after we take a cruise around this pen, but let's open this up. So the section is this darker color. If you look closely, you can see that there's a really subtle sparkle in there. That's really pretty. That is also carried down here. It's really nice. It's a really nice size. I do think that the BENUs, when you post it, it feels a little bit longer, although that feels pretty comfortable because it's pretty light. I feel like I could do that without it really bothering me. And a little sparkle without being too over the top. This is a little out of my comfort zone. You know, I like all my earth tone colors, but I feel like with BENU, I was excited to branch out a little bit. So that is so nice. Let's see what it looks like uncapped next to some other pens. So there is the Talisman. This is the, I guess I will line up the nib and then we can see. There's the Euphoria, much larger. And I think the Briolette has a smaller nib as well, but that looks like the same size nib as the Euphoria. Okay, so there we go. So these are actually pretty similar in size. This is a much stronger step down. This feels a lot more subtle. This pen is super comfortable. This one's really fun too. You can't really, I don't really post any of these. Let me just bring this up higher so you can see some of the detail here. So pretty. I feel like the gray background works better than the brown in this lighting. So both the Talisman and the Euphoria have a Schmidt number 6 nib, steel nib. This is a medium nib. These are also cartridge converter fills, and it does come with a cartridge, which is really nice. So super user-friendly, and I always find that these are such nice writers. I think that BENU is really underrated. And for $77 is what I paid for this. We'll do a little comparison with a couple other commonly used pens. This is a TWSBI Eco. That's more in line with the size of the Euphoria, but it is a little bit smaller. This is a Pro Gear Slim, tiny in comparison, very tiny. Okay, this is a Pilot Vanishing Point, which, you know, does not come, the cap doesn't come off, but you can get a feel. And then a Mont Blanc 149. Okay, so there are some comparisons for you. Let's ink it up and we will see what works best. So let's take a peek at these inks. Colorverse USA inks. I got the Blue Crab and the Great Plains, and then this emerald green from Monteverde. This is from their core line. It's actually looking like it's going to be very green. This is Kelly green, which I wasn't really expecting, or that emerald green, which could work. So you could either do a real green, or you could do like a teal color. You could do black in here. I'm always amazed at how quickly I get ink on my hands. I'm like, oh, nope, and there's more, and there's more. Okay, this bottle it's coming out really fast. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Okay, we got that. It's like emerald with like some undertones. It's really nice. What do we think? I gotta wash my hand. Okay, well, I really like this color match, but there's plastic around here. So when I opened it, the ink went everywhere. It got on my desk. It really made a mess. However, it's a really cool match with the green. So that is Monteverde. I don't even want to dip it because it's so bad. Hold on. I'm just going to write it with this because Monteverde Emerald, right? Emerald green. Okay, so we got that. Next up, this is Colorverse USA Blue Crab. My zodiac sign is Cancer, so I kind of like crab stuff. Let's see. It's very USA. Oh, it's a cute little bottle. Isn't that cute? I think these were $5. $5. Let's see. Oh my gosh, my hands are ridiculous. Got my towel out over here. Let's see how this one works. This, I think, is way too blue. We'll see. I'm going to look and see what other colors I have. This is a pretty blue, though. It's really nice. I might use my dip pen for this. I definitely think this feels a little bit more watered down. We'll see. It'll be interesting to see how this dries. Okay, last up is this Colorverse Special Ink USA Great Plains. I just thought this was an interesting green. Let's see. I don't think this is going to be a good match for the pen, but I think it will be a pretty color. So let's see. Yeah, I want to say that these Colorverse inks were $5 or $6, which I thought was such a great price. So I went with all these blues and greens because I tend to have a lot of browns and rusts and oranges, but this is pretty. I like it. We'll see how that dries. This blue seems to be drying with some nice sheening involved on the edges there. I stopped going to the edges on my color samples because I just felt like I wasn't getting a great indicator of what the edges would look like. So let's do the same here. Multitasking, trying to get my samples here as well. I like that. I like that a lot. I like this. Okay, so I think that the emerald is a clear winner with these three colors. I do love this great plain green. Those are pretty colors. Aren't you guys proud of me for branching out a bit? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be back soon. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Take care.